Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to order a physical Revolut card delivered straight to your home. So let's get started. First, open the Revolut app. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up and then log in. Tap the card icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap Add New at the bottom, then select Physical Card. Choose your card design. Revolut offers a standard card and premium options like metal, platinum, or 24K gold. The standard card usually costs around €6, though your first card might be free. You can also personalize your card with text or emojis. Then tap Preview. Next, set up your PIN. Enter your delivery address and tap Continue to confirm your order. And that's it. That's how you order your physical Revolut card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.